Welcome back, bogies. Start of a new week. As always, I say it, not got long, but let's see what we can get done. Yeah, see what we get done. I left my toolbox down at my house because I was doing the wife's BMW air conditioning, which changed the clutch on that in the actual air conditioning pump. 250 quid instead, well, 30 quid instead of 250. Clutch now works, pump starts turning, but no aircon still, so maybe the gas has run out, but that's a bugger, 3 hours wasted there. So anyway, I left all my tools down there, so what we do a bit of panel fitting and panel dapping and fettling on the passenger side and the inner A panel, make sure we're happy with that. Whether we get a chance to do any welding today or not, it's mostly grit slim because I'm going to rush otherwise. Yeah, epoxy primer turned up, but I've left that at home. But yeah, I think I might have sorted the spot welder out, so I think we're rocking and rolling on the spot welder. So we'll give that a test in a minute as well. Hey, let's just try the spot welder out, see if we've cured some of our problems. So this side's all pretty clean. I've cleaned those edges up. The only one I didn't do was the original A panel. I say original to when I picked the car up. So yeah, the thing with spot welding, so critical to get clean. Definitely a clean contact areas is a minimum. You can be a little bit dirtier on the two panel, you know, the other inner bits, but if you can get them clean as well, even better. So yeah, I'll either try and clean them up before you put the panels on, or just go over with a bit of sandpaper just afterwards. And as soon as we've stitched and plug welded that, this A panel ain't going anywhere, so it's worth getting a few spot welds on it. As I said, 3 panels, you can spot weld all 3. But as I said, I like to get a few on just the 2 panels, and then when you do the 3rd one, put the 3 panels on as well. Spot weld to 3. You know, no harm done, I don't think. Okay, a bit more drilling and faffing on later on if somebody needs to do something, but we won't put a couple on, we'll just put a couple on. Oh, smoking! Did a quick test before YouTube starts. So yeah, in principle, you pick up the freaking heavy welder. And there you go, you hear a lot of heat, and we get some spot welds through. Lovely, look at that. Oh, it's just a lovely noise when it works. It's lovely. So yeah, that's good. Looking good, very good. Yeah, nice to get the spot welder going. Only 2 thicknesses here, so we can go all the way along this bit, which I didn't clean up. So sometimes what it's worth doing is, you know, you can clean the whole lot up obviously as well, but get your mould grips on it first. Get it clamped in with your mould grips. Don't let the spot welder sort of do the gripping, you know. Get the mould grips on it first. Close it up. Get your mould grips on it. Not clean enough. Not clean enough. There you go. That'll do for now, donkey. That'll do. 2 things a spot welder doesn't like: rust and paint, and gaps air. It doesn't jump air, so you just, you know, got to make sure that the panels are perfectly glazed together. Obviously the jaws do pull it in anyway, but be interested if we can just see if we can get any on this inner wing. Yeah, that's spotted really nice. Yeah, really nice. Shame I can't get the spot welds on the door shelf there, the dashboard area, the parcel shelf, whatever you like to call it, dash shelf. So we're just gonna have to sort of just stitch or plug weld that. But yeah, okay, good. We're rocking and a rolling now, rocking and a rolling. I'm going to try at some point to see if I can spot weld the big plates that go on the back here. And we'll take this mount off. I might just try and at least get a MIG weld on the back of it first, stop it moving. Yeah, that's looking good, looking good. Alrighty, I've got about 5 minutes. I'll have to jump in the car, We've already had this on once with my dad here, so it should go back on. A little bit on the A panel there, a little bit of the wing. Just sticking out, but that's alright. We'll do that later. So again, get the hinges bolted up nice and tight so we know that the A panel's nice and flush. Make sure the clamps around the outside here, make sure that's good. And yeah, then we'll double check fit the front end again next time. Yeah, it's looking alright. It's looking alright. Looking alright. Yeah, once we get these A panels on, we can then think about finishing off, doing the scuttle. Scuttle's got to go on eventually, or has to before we've got our front wings on. And front panel. Be nice to get that buttoned up before we start work on the back. Which we've got the bulk of the back done anyway, but well, I haven't got the bulk of the back done, have I? I don't know what I'm talking about. And then last off, well, yeah, the aim is to actually get it sort of solid again, floor welded, so we can then put it back on a spit, or put it on a spit, so we can then roll it over, finish off welding underneath, doing certain things that are easier, much easier when they're upside down. And then we'll, stone chip the floor, which that means then all the suspension and everything and all the fuel pipes can go back in, like we did with the previous one. Get the underside coloured first. We can then think about, painting the car early next year when the weather warms back up again. Or we take it down a spray booth, or whatever we're going to do. But yeah, plenty more work to be done. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, not much progress, but at least we've got a decent spot welder working again. Excellent. Steak and chips, homemade chips for tea tonight. I haven't heard from you, Malcolm. You alright, Malcolm? I haven't heard from you at all. You normally comment on Facebook sometimes. So I hope everything's alright with you. I do notice, I'm sorry if I don't reply to everybody. I do notice you guys commenting. I'll try and have a quick read of them all. And so yeah, I do notice the common people. And yeah, hope you're alright, Malcolm.